So they moved their craps tables from, they were over here in this section, and now they're over here. It's amazing how easy they can move things around. $3. Oh, that's a crapless craps. Here's the regular craps. Big difference in these games. They shouldn't even be called craps and crapless craps. They should be called something else. They're completely different. That's not true. They have a lot of the same rules. Just the concept is vastly different. They got another craps table they shoved over here in the poker area. Crapless craps. Okay, so yes, it's dead in here, but it's not that dead. I mean, it's actually pretty pleasant in my opinion, and it is 8:30. It's 8:30. So places like this are never crowded until 10. Oddly, July was very slow across Vegas, about 10% off on the volume of people, and that's what you care about, not the revenue, not the net earnings, all that crap that you can't even understand it because it's so many different ways they report it. But you can go into the casinos in July and look around and say, yeah, it's about 10% off. And you know, every now and then you kind of want that. At least I do. Sometimes I don't want to step on people's feet just to walk 20 feet. as a poker. When there's a small crowd like this looks like a Wednesday crowd. But a Wednesday at 10 o'clock, not a late night. So it's doable. So they got blackjack and roulette over here now. Oh, they got one craps table, a craps machine. That guy was walking around the casino getting his steps in while he's smoking a cigar. That's like cutting your grass and watering it at the same time. Or watering it and then putting weed eater on it. Or weed out.
I'll be ready.
Yeah, I'm not sure because I normally come in here later. I'm not sure, 8:30. Well, it's a little later than 8:30 now. But even back in October, I think it's about the same. It's a little bit less.
sleep, where the promises are high but the winnings are steep. Oh, Las Vegas, you cut so deep. A joker in the corner with a drink in his hand said, "Lady Luck's a liar, you'll never understand." But I laid down my soul, let the roulette spin. The cards are stacked, the